I open the curtains. I feel the sunshine. I take a deep breath. I button my shirt. I iron my clothes. I drink warm milk. I eat fresh fruit. I peel a banana. I cut an apple. I pour some juice. I fill my bottle. I check my bag. I carry my backpack. I walk very fast. I run to catch bus. I stand in line. I buy a ticket. I greet the driver. I hold the rail. I reach my office. I start my work. I send an email. I read new messages. I type on keyboard. I answer the phone. I write a note. I take a short break. I drink some tea. I eat a sandwich. I wash my cup. I clean my hands. I finish my task. I close my laptop. I leave the office. I walk back slowly. I buy some groceries. I pay the bill. I carry food home. I open the fridge. I take fresh vegetables. I wash the rice. I boil some water. I cook rice slowly. I fry an egg. I make hot soup. I serve the food. I eat dinner happily. I talk with family.